Hello, in this session we would like to show you how you can optimize the space on your screen by making a simple change in your ACS settings. You'll see here I have a screen maximized and you'll see a lot of wasted space, unused space out here. Now to change that you can go over to the Edit at the top, come down, choose Preferences, then Appearance, followed by Font. Change the font setting from the default, which is IBM 3270, to monospaced. Hit OK. And now you'll see much larger depiction of what is on the screen. Now this is especially nice when you go to a widescreen. I'll show you how that difference looks. If I take option 1, here's a typical widescreen display in DAC. And you'll see that everything is filled out. The font is much larger. It does resize based on the window size that you've chosen to use. Now here I'm maximized, but you will notice that it resizes. And just to show you the contrast with the default, I'll go back up to Edit. I'll say Preferences, Appearance, Font, and I will switch it back to the default setting, which is the IBM 3270. Say OK. And now you'll see the resolution for the character is probably a little bit tighter. However, a lot of space is just unusable or not used in this setting. So that's why we prefer this depiction using the monospaced. Now there are a few others in here that you might want to experiment with, but that's a simple setting change that you can make. Makes it much easier to read. If I go from the maximized size down to more of a typical size, and I'll show you some differences here. Like here, if I resize the screen, say like that, and I switch back to the other font, there we go. And so there, you'll notice as we resize the window here that the extra black space gets more and more exaggerated as you go out. And you can see where it's growing there. And then when I get to the full maximized, a lot of empty space there that could be better utilized. So we just wanted to point this out to you. It may improve your work environment. We hope it does. Thank you for listening.